Guys, welcome to Others Tech World. Today we'll be doing a Bluetooth earphone review. It's the T205BT from JBL. So let's get started. So hi guys, we are having the box of the T205BT here. So let's open it. I have removed the seal already. So let's see what is there inside the box. Okay, so I'll get the box out. Let me get the box out. So here we have this is the box contents. We have the user manual. Keep it that there. You have this. Is the headphones themselves. Earphones actually. We have them here. So it's a bit tough. I think you press here, stick the earphones out. So let's take them. So that was the packaging. Packaging looks good. It's nice. You have a user manual, warranty card, and some warning papers. So let's keep that aside. And you have this is a micro USB cable with JBL branding. Here this is a USB type A to micro USB. So here we have this real deal. This is a T205BT. So let's look at the build quality. The build quality looks good. It's metallic on this side and metallic here also. It's all metallic and the others are plastic. So only 5% of it is metallic to be exact. And you have the earphones themselves. They are not in-ear style. They are like AirPods or EarPods in iPhones. For some of them it's comfortable, for some of them it's not. Here we have the neckband. We have this the controller, JBL branding again. Have the main button and you have the plus and minus icons. So that was this side. Now let's come to this side. So this is a battery pack. This is where the battery is there. It's also JBL and it's written its model number. So when you pair it with a device, it will turn blue here. So I will show you how to pair it coming right up. So here we have a phone. You have the Note 8. Have the this is the earphone themselves. So how to pair them? So you just click on it until you see this light. I'm gonna turn Bluetooth on, and then now it's connected. So you have to click on this here. I click on here. This is the JBL Tune T205BT. You have to click on that. If you have not paired it, click on that. So here, connected for calls and audio, 100% battery. So it's fully charged. I have charged it. Okay. So now this blue light is blinking, as you can see. It will be like this for the whole time that you have paired with your phone. For example, if I turn Bluetooth off or if I don't pair it with this blue light will be off, or else it will be turned on for the whole time. It's a bit annoying, but it's okay. So let me turn off Bluetooth. So it's gone now. We'll turn this off too. So that's how you pair with your Tune T205 and to your phone. So here we have this is the Tune T205BT. Yeah, that's a Tune T205BT. So let's talk about the sound quality. The sound quality is pretty good. I think it's nice. It looks on the packaging The packaging, however, they say that it's pure bass sound. They say it's pure bass sound, but it's not true. It has bass sound, but it only comes when it's needed. It's not like the Boat Rockers 255, which had too much bass. This has only bass when it's needed, and it's a balanced sound. So sound quality, it's pretty good. So now let's look at the build quality. So the build quality is okay. You have the neckband. It fits right. You can take calls with it also. It's hands-free calls, and the microphone is I'm here. This is the microphone. Mic is here. So if you are wearing a like a collar shirt, don't put this part inside that collar, or else the sound will be muffled to the other parties. So you have to always put it like this, like free hand, and you put it in your ears, and you speak to the person who is calling you. So now let's talk about the build quality. The build quality is pretty good. You have the neckband. It's weightless actually. I cannot feel that it is here. It's zero weight, so it's pretty good. And you have this these themselves. You have the metal part here. You have the metal part here also. So that's pretty cool. But I think it's a marketing gimmick. And it feels premium. That's all I can say about the metal. So that is the build quality. You saw the build quality. The build quality is awesome. So now let's talk about the Bluetooth range. So the Bluetooth range is it's Bluetooth 4.2. If you have a 1500 square feet house, it will work fine if your phone is in the center of the house. And if you are living in like my apartment, you have the living room there and the bedroom here. So if I keep my phone there and I come here in the bedroom, it's gonna be okay. But if I go there from the living room to the kitchen, it might not be okay, because the Bluetooth range is pretty low. I think it's because it's Bluetooth 4.2 and you cannot get more in this price. So that's not a big compromise. You have this. They didn't give an adapter. You need a separate adapter, and this looks pretty nice. Nice touch by JBL. I didn't thought that the micro USB would be nice. The red accents here and this. So that was the JBL Tune 205BT. So, and that's it for the video. So hope you like this video. You can hit the like button if you like this video. You can hit the dislike button if you dislike this video, and share it with your friends, and comment below of your thoughts on this earphone. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. See you then.